Hello, welcome to HeartX. In the previous clip we showed you how to set up a wallet and how to set up your profile. Feel free to click on our previous video if you're new to the app. In this video we'll be introducing the HeartX voting system. When introducing the HeartX voting system, we are going to mention these three parts that you should know when participating in this community: the voting system, credit score, and art energy. Let's start with the HeartX voting system. As it is said in the HeartX white papers, the original intention of HeartX is to break the monopoly of traditional art institutions and the capital on aesthetics and redefine the value of artworks with community consensus. Which means that, instead of using a traditional centralized valuation system, we've created a decentralized consensus mechanism. This means that everyone who participates in the voting process has an equal say in which artwork is chosen. And there's no central authority making the final decision. Let's move on to the gameplay. To start playing, please enter the HeartX app. When you enter, you will see the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the HeartX voting icon between the Explore icon and the ranking icon, and start voting for your favorite work. There are two modes of voting in this system. The first, single artwork display mode. We like to call it the Tinder mode. Like we call it, it is a swipe left and right game mode. Swipe left if you don't like what you see, and swipe right if you do. The second mode is the validator mode. There will be two options for you to choose from, and you also swipe left and right on the artwork you like, to give the system an idea of which artwork you will value more between the two. Now that you're ready to use the HeartX voting system, here are some tips you need to know when participating in our community. After completing the voting, users will receive different amounts of HeartX as rewards according to their voting options. Next up, credit score. The design of the credit score is to prevent players from cheating when using the HeartX voting system. It is based on the login IP, irrational voting, and more. The user's credit score starts at 100. If their score drops below 50, they won't be able to interact with the NFT marketplace or claim token rewards. However, if they participate in the HeartX community without cheating, their score will gradually return to 100 again. Art energy. In the last video we talked about securing your account by binding your email and Twitter, but it's not just giving you a security option, but also increasing your reward amount when winning HeartX. Here's the art energy reward table, with all details for you to get your energy to the max. The more tasks you have done, the higher art energy you will have, therefore your reward will be increased. Thank you for tuning into today's video. It's been a pleasure to share this information with you, and we hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow HeartX beginners. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.